Welcome to my home lab. In this new video we're going to add a new disk to our OpenMediaVault 8 server. We are at the dashboard of our test system, and as you can see we only have one file system. Go to storage, disks, we have one disk. It's the disk where OpenMediaVault is installed. File system, see we have one file system. You can view the file system because we have our plugin ShareRootFs down, and you see OpenMediaVault ShareRootFs 8.01 is installed. You see it here by default. The root file system is hidden in OpenMediaVault and cannot be used to create shared folders on it. But with this plugin you can do it. I have a video about it on my channel. Today we're gonna add a new disk. So now we have one. I'm gonna stop the video, add a new disk and come back with two disks. After booting up the system, you see we have a new disk. First thing we need to do is to select it and wipe it. So all the data gonna be lost. Confirm, yes. Quick one, it's okay. Only 1 minute, et voilà. End of line, no errors, so we are okay. Close it. The next step, we go to file system. We have our file system from our 120 gigabyte setup. So create and mount a file system. ext4, it's okay for us. ext4, okay. Select the device, it's our new disk. Save it, et voilà. It's gonna take a moment, so I speed up the process and come back when everything is okay. Et voilà, end of line, no errors, so we can close the window. Close it. Now we select file system, a newly created file system. The type, I do disk 01 and save it. Apply. Yes. Et voilà. The disk is ready. You see available, used space, it's mounted, but it's not referenced. So it means it's not used. The next step is to create a shared folder. Create. Name data. You can call it whatever you want. File system. Disk 1, the newly created one. Select it. Relative path is automatically. For now, administrator read write, users read write, others read only. It's okay. So we do data for the tag and save it. Et voilà. We have our disk. Apply it. Yes. And okay. For the last step, I open the command line. I do SSH connection to our OpenMediaVault server. You see 192.168.129.108. It's the same IP address. Enter. Password. This is the root password, not the password from the dashboard. Enter. Voilà, we are inside. Go to the root directory, to ls. We go to the srv directory. So this one here. Again to ls all. And you see we have our device. See, it's the same number. So we can go inside it. To ls all again. Et voilà, we have our data. See it here. So here we can go to the shared folder from the command line. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.